Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So, to record screen, what you have to do is to hold down power key and volume up, take a screenshot, then open it, and then here at the bottom of the screen select screen record and then tap on start, and now your screen is being recorded. Let's record something here and then tap on stop to stop recording it. You can find your recording in the photos. Here the screen recorder, and here you can share it, edit it, or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.